Alright, this is the Erin Rae tune, The Real Thing. So tuning on this is open string D. Actually, no, this is open G tuning. So that bottom string right there is D, but then it's G, and then D, and then G, B, and then tune first back down to D. So you have basically that chord on G right there. And then she uses the capo on the 3rd fret. I'm going to run through this and I'll explain a couple things. So here we go. We're going 1, 2. Here's the verse. So run through that a couple times on this little section here. And then she'll finish it up with kind of something similar that she does on this. But we're up here going. Yeah. I believe that's what she does. She'll change it around different times. So it's like. That's pretty much all the parts. So you noticed when I started, I had issues right away. You kind of have to like get in the groove. And the groove really is just this little concept going thumb. That's it, right? And then everything else going on right there. So you're kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So there's not much going on in the left hand on the whole song. It's a lot of the right hand. Really on the chords on the top, we have like an A7 shape, and then just that open G shape right there, but like with the 5th string and the bass. And then the little ditty she's got at the top of that. Okay, so that's all on the 2nd string, or you can initiate with the 1st string, and then use the 1st string again. Lots of combinations right there. That's where it can get confusing because there's a lot of options. And then that part right there. So you're going, sorry. No. It feels like it should be the other fingering, but because of the tuning, it's not. So there's the 2nd little ditty. So in context, that part took me quite a while to figure out because of the strum, again, hitting where you think you should be plucking, because it's a melody section, so it's like I'm going to pluck it, but you got to keep the right hand going all the time. So no matter if you're playing the bass, or you're playing just a strum, or you're playing the melody, those 3 things are what's happening at any time with that strum right there. And then as far as the right hand, she, when I watch her play, has got the index finger quite a bit, just like for the pick, it looks like. I have a tendency to use like the 3 fingers right here. The pick's gonna, the 1 finger is gonna give you more of a consistent sound, like if you're actually using a pick. So it's probably better to do that if you get just used to holding your hand almost like you're holding a pick and you're just striking against that nail right there every time you go down. And then she's using, it looks like a combination of fingers depending on what's happening with like a pluck. So for instance, on this bit where we're going, it's like, try that really slow so you can see my right hand. Let's see, so I'm kind of just like picking through right there. this, oops, so that last one, that's the one thing, you gotta make sure you get the second string right there to end it. So really slow here. So here I'm like playing. So here I'm going 1, 2, and 1, 2, and it's the first string. So one more time, I'm playing 5th and 1st, strike, 1st again, and then I slide up. So 1, 2. So right there on that slide, that, let's see, 1, 2, and 3, 1. That should be like a thumb, right? With the first finger, or the first string. And then you've got 1st, 2nd, 3rd string. And then open 5 and 2 to finish that. That part's rough. The whole thing's rough. Okay, and then the form of the song, I'm not going to go over that. I'm just showing you the techniques and all these. You can definitely listen to the tune or watch her play it. It's pretty easy. But really, those are the parts. Let's see if I can play through this crap. So my right hand mostly on this one here. Ah, sorry, they're messed up. Because I didn't hit the strike. Second string. Oh yeah, this part on the chords I forgot to show you. If you watch her play, she's using her thumb right here, and then this. To me, that's harder. I'd rather just play. So all this is 2 notes on the 2nd fret, 4th fret. Then open, 5, 4, 3. And then you switch this shape opposite. So I have 4 and 2 now. And then when I strum this next bit, it's 6, 5, 4. That's it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you watch her play, she kind of gets her groove going like. Sometimes, I don't know how she gets the F, it's really trippy. It's like. But what I'm really hearing is this though. But at the end, if you watch her play one of the videos, she's like doing this down up thing, which is really cool. Oh, there we go. So it's like. And the Fs are very subtle. So not quite like that, but close. But really, if you just play. And that last is really that open G chord again, right? That we're hitting. And then when she goes into the verse, you're just playing open G, so like the open strings. And then she doesn't just play like a root 5 thing every time. She'll play like root, 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 then a 5th. Listen for when that changes. It's pretty obvious. So basically, this chord then with she'll hit that, and then this is the. I think I said this was the verse. I lied. This is this shape right here. It's like the A7 up there on your 6th fret. So 2, 5, 6. So the basic pattern feel of this 1, 2. So I'm going down, down, up, and then like up with like a finger on a string. So really slow. So right there. Or you could just go 1, 2. And so we'll hold this for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Open. And then starts over. It's kind of variation. Hopefully that's enough to kind of get you going on this. Bye.